Hi, have you ever noticed how your English sounds fine in your head, but freezes the moment when you open your mouth? That phrase usually isn't about a vocabulary, it's about missing movement words. English speakers don't speak in perfect sentences, they speak in flow. And flow comes from small, flexible words that carry your thoughts forward, even when your idea isn't ready yet. So let's talk about how native speakers enter a thought. Here's the thing, nobody warned me it would feel this uncomfortable. Let me put it this way, if it drains your energy, it's not worth it. From there, the conversation stopped being polite, which brings us to the real problem. That said, I don't regret trying. Still though, something about his answer didn't sit right with me. So, if you want to sound more natural in English, start using these expressions in your daily conversations. Which expression did you like best? Write in the comments and let me know. English isn't only grammar, vocabulary, it's also rhythm, flow, and natural expressions. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in the next video.